Here's why knowing your cough triggers is important. When you know your cough triggers, you can make changes to manage your cough. Cough triggers can vary, including talking, eating, strong scents, pollen and more. By understanding your triggers, you can make behavioural or lifestyle changes to avoid them or manage their effects. For example, changing what or when you eat, tracking air quality to avoid areas with high pollution, or going out when pollen counts are low. Knowing your triggers means understanding your cough better and taking control of your respiratory health.